Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to build RBAC systems, and that means role-based access control systems using a Django framework. So now RBAC systems are often very complex and challenging to implement, but don't worry, I will walk you through everything step by step in a way that's simple, practical and beginner friendly. By the end of the tutorial you will be able to understand and implement your own RBAC system with a confidence. So what is the RBAC systems? That actually is a role-based access controls, and RBAC is a method using to restrict grant access to part of system based on user role, and instead of assign permission directly to users, and we assign role to users and then define what can each role can do. And this kind of systems is widely used in a large scale application, secure platform and enterprise level software where manage user permission and critical data. So example, you common role might be admin, manager, staffs, views, and each of these roles will have a defined level of access to the system features. So why RBAC, not other systems? Actually RBAC ensure that user only see and do what they are allowed to, nothing more, nothing less, and this improves security, maintainability and scalability for your application. This is why you find RBAC systems and using industries like healthcare, banking, government and the government portal, SaaS portal and more applications and systems. So what you learn today, actually in this video you will learn how to step by step use role-based access systems, and how to manage Django projects, how to manage permission using role, and how to restrict access to view and template based on a role. So without further delay, let's dive in and build on your role-based access systems controls and using a Django step by steps. So this is my role-based access systems, and you can see here built with Django's. And first I will give you to short demo of how to the project work, and then we'll dive into the code and explain how to everything is implemented. So to get started, I will be already run the server using python manage.py run server. Sorry, so I think my PowerShell already off, that's why I restart my projects again. So I just write python manage.py run server. Sorry, my run server file is manage.py, file is RBAC. Sorry, at first I move to cd RBAC. I should move to RBAC and enter. After that write python manage.py run server. So you can see here my project is successfully run, and now let's begin sign up this admin page in this browser. So at first I click my browsers and go to my projects, and you can see here my projects. And since this is a secure systems, and first user to sign up must be an admin, and once the admin is registered, they will get access to a dashboard, and when they can create role for others user like manager, staffs and viewers. So let's begin by sign up as the admin. So I click sign up page, and now I fill all this data for admin dashboard. So you can see here full name and email, phone number, password or role, and you see there is admin I think admin is unchangeable, and that is the main point in the sign up page. So I click sign up and admin, and when I click sign up button, directly redirect to admin dashboard, and you can see a lot of things and lot of data. So I avoid it, just make this role. And this is the admin dashboard. To create a new role, and I click to this make role button, and here we select the role type of fill out the necessary information in this form. And including username, email and password. We will assign to role to each user, to example admin, manager, staffs and viewer. You can see this, and I will write down this role creation in a notepad, so I can log in easily later. So you can see this lot of things in this dashboard, and this dashboard template was taken from another project, so don't get confused, and I am only using it to demonstrate what an admin dashboard might look like. So at first I just sign up all this role and write down in my notepad. So at first I create a admin role. So I just write username, email, phone number, password and admin. So create. So you can see this your PRP with role admin created successfully. So now next is a manager role. So if manager and password manager and manager. So if you write down same data again and again, database cannot accept these things of data, and just display a wrong message, and show this data already saved in database. So don't try multiple data in one sections. So avoid it. After that I click create user. So you can see this user manager with role manager created successfully. Now next is staff. So staff, I write username staff, gmail staff.html, and change this phone number. So a staff successfully created. After that I move to viewer. So I write username viewer, and write viewer.html viewer@gmail.com, and change phone number again, password and viewer section. So you can see here user viewer with a role viewer created successfully. Now I can log in and move login section. I don't add any functionality in this page, cause now I just demonstrate how to using role based access system and how easy to work. So now I move to this login section, and you just seen that is the universal login page, and only right user login this page. What if I just write a wrong username and wrong password? So you can see this invited credentials. So I just write down this code in this section. you can see here login section, right, that invalid credential. So avoid it, I just show in this 4 section and 4 role login systems. So at first I just log in my admin panel, and first I log as admin, and I think it will be successfully login. Sorry, PRP 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can see here my login page are successfully working, and next I log in as a manager. So I just write down manager in username sections and password manager. So you can see here my manager dashboard are open, and display welcome manager, and you have permission to manage project to overseas team members. So that is a simple template. And now next is staff. So working as a expected, I think some issues are came these projects, sorry viewers. Sorry, I think my staff's password, I just don't write this notepad. So I go to this login section, I go to this admin section, admin dashboard, and made staff login passwords PRP 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. Make role stuffs. So you can see here user stuffs with a role stuffs created successfully. Now I can log in as a staff. So you can see here my welcome stuffs. You can view this update and assign tags. So my staff page or staff's role are successfully working. Now finally viewer, I can check viewer login systems. So I just write username as a user viewer and password viewer. After that I click login section. Sorry, I don't refresh before login. That's why the problem come again and again. So you can see here viewer role are successfully working, and I think so this complete this live demo, this RBAC system functionally. Now I can move code overview, and you can see my all this code in these sections. And first of all I want to start in model.py and define role. You can see here my model.py, and define our 4 model: admin, manager, staffs, and viewer. Each role has specific required fields like a name, email. You can see here name, email, role, and the phone number and other things. And after that I run migrations and migrate to apply changes to this database. And I have also added two default fields created by, and this field define time zone and who created this role. So this is the model section for saving this user data to database. And I can move viewer section, and in this viewer section you can see a lot of code. Actually that is the full simple code, not complicated. And first of all, I just using sign up section for admin, and I just using username, email, password, and other things for created by admin, you can see here. And after that, universal login systems, it's created universal login views which detects the user role and redirects them to their respective dashboard after login. I already demonstrate this. And after that, in these sections I can see admin dashboard, manage dashboard, staff dashboard, and viewer dashboard. There are four separate views, one for each role, and displaying basic page this appearing access controls. And I already illustrate that. And next and finally, make role. This is where the admin can create a user with a specific role. This page is protected by login required, and so that only login the admins can access it. And final notes, and I can say something for viewers. I have kept the code explanation short to avoid making this videos too long, and however I will add a full project link in this description below, so feel free to knock it out and download this source code for a better understanding. So thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want part 2 with advanced feature like permission level and Django groups, or even API based role control. And you can just comment these videos, and I try my best in next video. So thank you.